Ryan has our full forecast, and Ryan, it sounds like if you don't see the rain yet, it's coming.
It is coming. Yeah, if you're going to be out later this afternoon, or if you have like dinner plans, it's going to be tough to miss the rain at that point, guys. Here's a live look out over Portland. We're at 59 degrees. You can see clouds have filled in. There were a few breaks of sunshine this morning. Other than maybe a little drizzle in spots along the mid-coast in southern Maine, it is largely dry, though. What we're waiting on is this area of low pressure that's going to ride up along this front, which has stalled over us. And this is going to be the kicker that gives the front a push to move through overnight tonight, but it also brings a period of some steadier rain as all that happens. On the warm side of the front right now, we have temps that are up into the 60s away from the ocean, 63 in Waterville, 65 in Freiburg, and even 70 down in parts of York County. At the coastline, much like yesterday with that southerly wind coming in off the ocean, it's not quite as warm, but you can see the cooler colors up here. That's the cooler side of the front that's going to be coming in later today. We do have some rain now spreading in through central and northern New Hampshire, parts of western Maine, up through the mountains. Some mainly light rain coming down, but a bit steadier to the northeast of Skowhegan. That's going to be moving toward Bangor and Lincoln in the next couple of hours. And over Aroostook County, the rain now starting to fill in, approaching Route 1 as we speak around Holton, and that it is raining at a pretty good rate up around Van Buren. To the south, you can see all the clouds here, but hour by hour through the afternoon, this line of rain keeps coming to the southeast. So as soon as about 3 o'clock, we'll have some rain in central Maine and rain getting pretty close to the southern Maine coastline too. On the mid-coast, you'll have a little bit longer. It's probably not until about dinner time that the rain arrives here. But for many of us on the drive home from work or school, it's going to be pretty wet. And there may even be some rumbles of thunder within some of this rain too through the early evening tonight. All this does start to shift east, so most of the rain does fall this afternoon, this evening, overnight. And then by daybreak tomorrow, we're actually breaking the sun out and starting to dry things out too. In general, about a ½ inch of rain near the coastline, and then farther inland and north, a ½ inch to an inch, with locally higher amounts, especially in some of the elevated areas and up through Aroostook County. There could be more than an inch of rain in total. Overall, tomorrow is a fairly quiet day. We'll have a period of some sun for a time in the morning, but as we've seen a couple of other times in recent days, the air aloft is chilly, so any sun we see will help bubble up some clouds and possibly a quick sprinkle. But I think it's only about a 20% chance tomorrow. And most places get close to or just over 60 degrees south of the mountains tomorrow. So a pretty good looking day. Tomorrow night, the weather's quiet. Skies clear out overnight as we lose the heating of the day. And then for Friday, we're looking at sunshine again in the morning, with billowing clouds during the middle of the day, and a better chance you catch a sprinkle or a shower on Friday afternoon too. And most of us will just be staying in the 40s for highs on Friday. Into next week, this jet stream continues to dig to our south, and that'll mean it's cooler than average overall, with continued chances for at least some showers, if not some steadier periods of rain at times too. Here's a look at the weekend. On Saturday, there may be some afternoon showers, especially to the south. Then that system goes by. And for Mother's Day, we'll watch late day. Could be some rain that returns and maybe even a steadier round of rain Sunday night into Monday, depending on whether or not a storm system develops offshore. So here's a look at the next 7 days. Again, rain expected this afternoon and this evening. Tomorrow's partly sunny. A few sprinkles on Friday and a cooler day with temps mainly in the 50s. A chance for some afternoon and evening showers on Saturday. And then Mother's Day looking mainly dry till the next round of rain on Monday, guys.
Right. Hoping we can hold that rain off to Monday.
Hope so, too.
Yes.
All right, we'll keep watching that. Ryan, thank you.